You can program the DustTrak with the supplied Track Pro software or manually. We will cover the manual process first. When you first turn the DustTrak on, you enter survey mode, which does not allow you to record any data. Press the log button to move to a mode that can record data. Pressing it once puts you in manual mode. It will say so on the screen. In manual mode, you can start and stop the DustTrak by hand. While you're in manual mode, press and hold the logging interval button. This button changes the interval at which the instrument records a data point. By holding the button, the screen will display the choices you have for interval, starting with 1 second and going all the way up to 30 minutes. It is generally useful to set it for 1 minute, meaning the instrument records a data point every minute, and this point is an average over those 60 seconds. You'll notice there is also a time constant button as well. Holding this button down, you will see the screen display the different time constant options. This is different than your interval because it only affects the displayed real-time data on the instrument screen. This can be safely set to 1 second, and the screen will update itself every second. This does not have any effect on the recorded data and only helps the operator by showing the most up-to-date real-time information. With your desired logging interval and time constant, you can now start sampling, simply by pressing the sample button. The word recording will appear on the screen if done correctly. To stop the sampling event, press the sample button again. Plug the DustTrak into a wall outlet and turn it on. Connect it to the computer and open Track Pro. In the Instrument Setup menu on the toolbar, select Logging Setup. A pop-up screen appears that allows you to change either Log 1 or Log 2. It does not matter which one you choose. Now, go down the column of Adjustable Settings to design your sampling event. Make sure that the box next to the word Aerosol is checked. Set the start date and start time, and make sure the time is in military format. Select the logging interval for data collection and how many tests you want to perform. If you want more than one, select how much time you want between the tests. Once complete, look at the bottom of the column for how much memory it will use up. If the DustTrak has enough memory for the job, you can send it to the instrument by clicking Send. The available memory is in the upper left-hand corner of that pop-up screen. Once sent to the instrument, the DustTrak can be shut off and taken to the field.